In this video, we're going to install a Cooker Fusion tap. For this installation, you will need a pipe wrench or socket wrench and a set of spanners from sizes 10 to 22. If you don't yet have a 35mm tap hole in your worktop, drill it first or ask an experienced installer to do it. Or you could call our service desk for advice. We'd be happy to help. Unbox the tap, then connect the hot and cold water hoses. Tighten them carefully with spanner size 10. Push the tap hoses through the hole. If installing onto a thin worktop, a stainless steel one for example, first place the triangular white tap support before fitting the brass fixing plate. Position the brass fixing plate over the threaded bolt and around the hoses. Screw the fixing nut onto the threaded bolt and tighten by hand. Adjust the position of the tap so the Cooker logo faces front. Place the handle in the cold position by setting it parallel to the edge of the worktop. Tighten the fixing nut with a pipe wrench, socket wrench or spanner size 10. If you have the combi, you should now install the tank. If you have the Pro 3 or Pro 7, you should now insert the inlet hose screens and connect the hot and cold water hoses to the mains. Tighten with spanner size 19. In case there are no tap tail adapters installed, start with these first. They are not supplied. You can now continue by installing your Cooker tank. The tap that does it all. Cooker.